fast beneath the sunlight, trees swaying left and right, paths that weave through silence, benches lined with peace. In the open air we wander, find a calm release. Stands begin to rumble, fans begin to cheer, footsteps on gravel, laughter drawing near. Children chase the echoes, kites above the trees. In the rhythm of the meadow, I let my spirit breathe. We glide above the treetops, green beneath our wings. Every twist and spiral, nature softly sings. From the field to the fountain, we dance and freely roam. In the heart of the garden, this drone has found a home. Whispers through the branches, secrets in the shade, where playgrounds meet the sunrise, memories are made. Echoes of the chanting, moments bold and bright. We're watchers of the greenery, soaring into light. From goalposts to gazebos, scenes both wild and mild. A canvas made of clover, of wonder growing wild. Every shadow shelters peace, each breeze another song. We capture living stories as the drone moves on. We glide above the treetops, green beneath our wings. Every twist and spiral, nature softly sings. From the field to the fountain, we dance and freely roam. In the heart of the garden, this drone has found a home. Leave the dust and let the hammers sing. Their echoes rise on newborn wings. Through hands of flame, through hearts of clay, we carve the dream that will not fade away. The ghosts of toil beneath the stone still whisper names the earth has known. A spark, a vow in silence sworn to shape the night, to call the morn. Come raise the flame, breathe the dawn. Let the steel remember every song. Who through fire and rain, who through sweat and bone, we build the world we stand upon. No crown, no throne, yet hearts adorn. The forge will sing, the winds proclaim, no past can bind.
Stand still, where metal veins cut through the hill. No voices rise, no banners fly, yet something burns beneath the sky. The marks of hands, the tools of might, shape walls that pierce the newborn light. The past still breathes beneath our feet, its echo cold, its rhythm sweet. We walk the fields of iron and flame. Each scar a story, each spark a name. No crown, no throne, just will and bone. We build the ground we stand upon. This earth remembers every fall, each cry that shook the iron wall. From sweat and dust a vow is born, to rise again, remade, reborn. drums resound, but power hums beneath the ground. The steel will sing, the fire will call, the heart of men will build it all. We walk the fields of iron and flame. Each scar a story, each spark a name. No crown, no throne, just will and bone. We build the ground we stand upon. No looking back. I built my shape from discipline. No wasted moves, no fragile skin. I knew the rules, I played them right. Turned every flaw into sharpened light. They called it strength, they called it control, but silence started carving my soul. I was too perfect to ever fall, too precise to feel at all. I was too perfect, clean and tight, but perfection casts no shadow, no light. Too perfect to ever bend, too complete to need a friend. I was too perfect, sealed and closed, but nothing grows when nothing's broken open. Then something shifted, quiet and slow, not a collapse, a letting go. I felt the weight, I felt the grace. Imperfection gave me space. Not weaker now, just more alive. I don't survive, I choose to strive. Too perfect, I